Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about diets on the planet. What if I told you that you could essentially reprogram your body to become a 24/7 fat-burning machine? Sounds pretty amazing, right? Well, that's the promise of the ketogenic diet, or keto as it's famously known. This isn't just another quick tip video, we're going all in. This is your ultimate guide to the keto diet, designed specifically for beginners. We're going to break down the hard science behind how it works, what you can and can't eat, and I'll even give you a full day's meal plan to get you started with a delicious Egyptian twist. So, if you've ever been curious about keto but felt overwhelmed by all the information out there, you are in the right place. If you see me for the first time, I am Dr. Mohammed Ali, and this is MEDISPHERE channel. Let's get started. So, first things first, what exactly is keto? At its core, it's a major dietary shift. You're going to drastically reduce your carbohydrate intake, consume a moderate amount of protein, and significantly increase your consumption of healthy fats. Think of it like changing the type of fuel your car runs on. Normally, your body loves to run on glucose, which it gets from carbs. But when you take away those carbs, your body has to find an alternative fuel source. This is where the magic happens. Your body enters a metabolic state called ketosis. In ketosis, your liver becomes a superstar. It starts breaking down fats, both the fats you eat and the stored fat in your body, and converts them into molecules called ketones. These ketones then become the new primary fuel source for your body and, importantly, for your brain. Your brain actually loves running on ketones. Many people report feeling sharper and more focused, so you're not just losing weight. You're undergoing a complete energy transformation from the inside out. Okay, science lesson over. Let's get practical. The number one question is always, so what can I actually eat? Let's break it down into the yes list and the no list. On the yes list, you're going to load up on healthy fats. We're talking about olive oil, coconut oil, butter, and of course, the king of keto fats, avocado. These will be your main energy source. Next up is protein. You'll want a moderate amount of high-quality protein from sources like meat, poultry, fish, and eggs. These are essential for keeping you full and maintaining muscle mass. And finally, fill your plate with low-carb vegetables. Think leafy greens like spinach and lettuce, plus things like zucchini, cucumbers, broccoli, and cauliflower. These will give you vital nutrients and fiber without kicking you out of ketosis. Now for the no list, the foods you'll need to say goodbye to. The biggest one is sugar in all its forms. Sweets, sodas, and even most fruits because of their high sugar content. Next are starches and grains. That means no bread, no rice, no pasta, and no potatoes. It might sound tough, but trust me, there are so many delicious keto-friendly alternatives out there, and your taste buds will adapt surprisingly quickly. Feeling a little overwhelmed? Don't be. Getting started is easier than you think. And to prove it, let me walk you through a sample full day of eating. We're giving it a bit of an Egyptian flair to show you just how versatile and delicious keto can be. For breakfast, you could have a hearty and satisfying omelet with some salty feta cheese and a side of sliced avocado. This combination of protein and healthy fats will keep you full and energized all morning long. When lunchtime rolls around, how about some delicious grilled chicken skewers? Marinate them in lemon, garlic, and herbs. Serve them with a big, fresh green salad drizzled with olive oil. It's light, refreshing, and perfectly keto. And for dinner, we'll keep it simple but tasty. A can of tuna mixed with a little bit of mayonnaise, served with slices of crisp cucumber and lettuce. It's a quick, no-cook option that's packed with protein and healthy fats. What about snacks? You're not going to be left hungry. A handful of nuts like almonds or walnuts, or a few slices of full-fat cheese make for a perfect keto-friendly snack to get you through any afternoon slumps. See? It's all about delicious, real food. Now, I have to be honest with you. The first week can be a bit challenging for some people. You might experience what's known as the keto flu. This isn't a real flu, but you might feel a bit tired, have a headache, or be a little irritable. This is just your body adjusting to its new fuel source. But don't worry, it's temporary and it usually passes within a few days. The best way to combat it is to drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. Make sure you're getting enough salt, maybe add a pinch of sea salt to your water or enjoy a cup of broth and focus on eating enough healthy fats. Your body needs that fuel to make the switch smoothly. Pushing through this initial phase is totally worth it for the results on the other side. So, what kind of results can you actually expect? In the very first week, it's common to see some pretty rapid weight loss. A lot of this is water weight, as your body sheds the water it was holding on to with all those carbs. It's a fantastic motivational boost to see the scale move so quickly. After about a month of being consistent, you'll start to see the real magic. This is when your body becomes keto adapted and the real fat burning kicks into high gear. Beyond weight loss, many people report having much more stable energy levels throughout the day. No more 3 p.m. energy crash. You might also experience clearer skin, reduced cravings, and that sharper mental focus we talked about earlier. The benefits can be truly transformative. If you've been on the fence about trying keto, consider this your sign. You now have the science, the food list, and a full meal plan to get you started. The key to success is consistency. Use this guide as your starting point, listen to your body, and get ready to watch an incredible transformation happen. You've got this! If you found this guide helpful and you're ready to start your keto journey, do me a huge favor and smash that like button. It really helps the channel out, and make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future science-backed health and wellness content. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know, what's your all-time favorite keto meal, or what are you most excited to try? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.